Hi there, my name is Raymond. In this video, I would like to talk about a nice way and trick for making money online, not only from YouTube, but also from print on demand. Yes, you heard me right. Two income streams you will know in this video. And of course, my subscribers always enjoy many tips and tricks no one has talked before for making money online in POD and affiliate marketing and others. So if you wanna join the club, simply like this video and subscribe now, not to miss any further tips and tricks that would blow your mind and enable you for making money online. And now it's time to get straight into today's topic. Today's trick regarding making quotes and sayings video. And for sure, I don't talk about making normal video or normal quotes, but by making a kinetic typography video, which means you can see the words of your quotes or saying moving in eye-catching way that make your audience fully engaged and pay attention to your video. And kinetic typography means dynamic words, or words are moving upwards or downwards or with flashes and pulses. And you always watch such kinetic typography in commercials and on websites and etc. And fortunately, there is a fantastic site that make it for you unbelievably for making an impressive eye-catching video. The site is tile.io/typomotion/landing. And here in this box, you will paste your quotes or your saying that you want to make video about. And you are about to see a magic. And I will leave this link below in the description box. Okay, let's check it out and we can try any quote. So we are going to Google and type here quotes for motivation, and also you can type quotes for any niche or any field like yoga, cats, dogs, and so on. So we can try this site, oper.com, 300 motivational quotes. Okay, and we can pick up one of these awesome quotes for motivation. Okay, and I can try this one. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is now. Okay, it's awesome. So we can copy this quote, copy, and come back to this tile.io, just paste here. Okay, and now we can make more separation between these words. Okay, to make a video of this quote or this saying. So the best time, okay, we can like this, enter, to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Okay, like that. Second best time is now. Okay, it's time to plant tree. Okay, like that. That's awesome. Okay, which means you can make your words or your statements here in different scenes of your video. Okay, just we can generate a magic. What about this awesome video? Okay, back. This time here to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second time is now. This is a kinetic typography video. Okay, and if you want to change this color, okay, or a different theme, just you can regenerate. And below here you can find many effects for your video, like background music. You can change this music like that, hustle. Okay, and you can change the speed of this words or this scenes, like you make it 30% slower. Okay, just you can make changes for effects, like you can make them word jumping like this. The angle, you can make it left right It's up to you to choose the favorite one. And here is the option of size, the dimension of your video. Here you will find many sizes and many dimensions that's suitable for social media and YouTube. Like this is the default option for YouTube, the widescreen option, okay? And if you want to make YouTube shorts, you can make this option, okay? 9 to 16, okay? And of course you will find this option, these dimensions. It's a square video for Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter and so on, okay? So you can share this video for YouTube and many social media for promoting your codes, and of course you're promoting your print on demand products, okay? Okay, so if you want to watch more magic by editing this video, just you can close this, okay? And you can hear do you want to edit it more or export as in before, just sign up now, okay? So let's go to sign up now, okay? Here you can add some details about your email and the password. I will use today a temporary email like this, copy. That's okay. And as I said before, you will see your words in different scenes of your video like this, okay? So you can make changes and you can add many effects for your scenes individually. Like if you want to make changes or effects for this text, just click and you will find here in the left panel many effects to your text. Like you can change the color of this text, okay, like that, blue. You can make motion of this, like sentence appear, word replace, sentence grow, word grow, like that. You can change the font of this text of this scene, okay, from this library. You can choose this Laura, okay. You can change the background of this text, the background of the text, okay. Size, you can make it smaller or larger, okay, like this. You can change this alignment and vertical alignment, like that. And if you want to make your settings and your effects to be applied to all the scenes of your video, you can just choose this option of apply this to all, okay. Okay, and now you have known how to add some effects and some changes to your text of your video in your scenes, okay. But what about the background? So you can click over that and you will find how to add some effects to your background. Like you can change this color, okay, from here. I will choose this matte black, okay, and you can add some images or a video, okay, from that option. You can choose any image, this relative free photos, okay, like this one. This is awesome. And here you will find many options and some effects to this background or this image, like the size of the image or opacity of this image, okay. Or you can change this whole image to any color, okay. But firstly you can just remove this image and you can change the color if you want, yellow, blue and others, okay. And of course if you want to make these settings and these effects to be applied to all your scenes of this video, you can just click over this option, apply this to all, okay, like that, okay. And if you wanted to change the duration of the scenes of your video, from here, settings, set duration, okay. You can make it 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second and others, okay. Okay, and you can also can add a logo for your brand or your YouTube channel from this, okay. And when you are happy with this video, just click over that, save, okay, and export to MP4. Now and you'll find your video will be ready to be downloaded. Okay, and let's open this video. Okay, really awesome video. And from here you can upload this impressive video to your YouTube channel and different social media as well, and using this video for promoting your POD items that contain this quote, like t-shirts, stickers, masks, shower curtains, and so on. And believe me, people are interacting well with quotes, and such videos would make them fully pay attention to your quotes and impress and drive them to buy items of this awesome quote. So you have a dual benefit of this kinetic typography video, YouTube channel, and promoting your POD designs. And hence we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for further tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and goodbye.